Hey YouTube, this is Mb-02 with the review of the Mb-02 sniper rifle. It's 380 to 400 FPS, doesn't give exact. It's pretty heavy, full metal, and yeah. So here's the gun. And this gun is sweet. First, it'll come with the scope, so you don't have to go buy one. That's what I love about this gun. You can take the covers off. You got the scope. And then it also comes with a bipod, which if you pull this lever down, open it, do the same thing with the other one. And then you can stand it up like that. To reload it, you have it right here. Pull it back. Hold on, I'll show you. It's pretty hard to reload. There we go. And basics on this gun: it's really heavy, full metal, great gun to buy. It's also got a rail system. If you don't want a bipod, you can stick something else on there. But the bipod it does come with, you can also extend like that. And can't take off the orange part, so another rail system where you put the scope in case you want to put something else. It does come with the strap, but I do not have it with me at the moment. And they're the strap things. And the butt's sort of like a grip, so it doesn't hurt when you put it up against your arm. And that's it for this gun. It's pretty simple, great gun, hurts like hell, very accurate. So buy this gun. I got it off of airsoft.com for around $80. So comment, rate, but don't troll. See you next time.